Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends, your go-to source for cutting-edge smartphone updates. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This is where you'll hear the latest before anyone else. Apple's next flagship is in sight. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to land in September 2025, packing wild upgrades, faster charging, killer cameras, and AI you'll actually use. Sources say Apple will unveil the iPhone 17 series in mid-September 2025, with pre-orders soon after and deliveries expected around September 19th. Price-wise, expect the 17 Pro Max to start between $1,199 to $1,399, a modest jump for flagship upgrades. Apple is moving to a sleek half-aluminum, half-glass frame, lighter, tougher, and retaining MagSafe support. Rumored screen sizes? 6.3 inches for the Pro and a whopping 6.9 for the Pro Max. And yes, promotion 120 Hz across the board, plus an even smaller dynamic island. Under the hood, the new A19 Pro chip, built on 3nm and paired with a massive 12GB RAM, promising blazing fast performance and efficiency. Battery life also sees an upgrade, with silicon carbon battery tech, plus improved charging at 35W wired and potential support for up to 50W Qi 2.2 wireless charging. Get this: 3 48MP rear cameras, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto. Yes, even the telephoto jumps from 12MP to 48MP with 5 times optical zoom. Rumor even includes 8K video and dual video recording. Plus, the front camera also gets bumped to 24MP. Selfies and FaceTime are going 4K level crisp. Expect Apple to debut Pro-level AI. Combined with on-device neural engine power and Wi-Fi 7 support, everything from Siri to smart photos will feel sharper, faster, and more personal. The iPhone 17 Pro Max looks like a true leap forward. A19 Pro performance, insane cameras, smooth display, and even faster charging. This isn't just a new iPhone, it's a Pro Max powerhouse. What upgrade are you most hyped for? Drop a comment, I read them all. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this update, share with your tech squad, and make sure you're subscribed for more leaks, reviews, and flagship coverage.